Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Capcut Insufficient storage. So go to menu, go back to homepage, go to the settings tab here and go to the settings tab again. Here you're going to just delete the cache files and then press OK, and make sure under cache you select the automatically download delete cache from 15 days ago. It won't delete like your projects, your media and stuff, but it's just going to like remove effects and filters you've downloaded, so that you have to like download it again. It doesn't take that long to download like effects and filters in my opinion. But here you're just going to delete cache size, and also if it's just like a folder issue, you're just going to change where you saved your files in, then press save, and hopefully it'll clear out some like stuff from Capcut. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It's also the same for your phone. Just delete cache size, as well as like delete projects too. Like the ones you don't use, just press delete. And then in trash, you're just going to want to make sure you've deleted everything. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.